Crayfish, crawdads, crawfish, whatever you call them. It's about 500 species of them. They vary in size from a couple centimeters to about 8 pounds. That one that gets up to 8 pounds is the species in Tasmania. It's like 500 species of these things, and they're closely related to the lobster. As kids, we used to just go to the stream and catch these and play around with them, let them fight each other and stuff. We didn't view them as food. As kids, we just thought it was fun to catch them. All right, y'all gotta pardon me. I look a little unkept today, but it is what it is. Heck, I'm outside sitting on my comfortable tire
Chef Anthony
couch.
Albritton here, the Carolina cook, cooking the Carolinas, eating the Carolinas, tasting the Carolinas. This is his first time trying crawfish. He liked it. Some people say crayfish, some people say crawfish. It is what it is. I put my own spin on preparing it. I'm not from Louisiana or nothing like that, but it is a southern dish. It's not just a Louisiana thing.
I really don't care to hear any lectures about how you do it.
My little spin on how to prepare it.
Respectfully.
Boiled it first, then put my seasoning on it the same way, in butter, the same way that I do crab and shrimp boils. And came out pretty good. Everybody liked it. All right. So once again, it's that Chef Albritton's seafood seasoning. It's what it is, just showing y'all what it do. It's good on just about any form of seafood, every form of seafood I had it on.
Bye.
All right, I'm gonna ball this corn and sausage. You can add a little seasoning to the water. I really don't have a preference of what type of sausage I use as long as it's not pork, because I don't. Now we're gonna drain it and strain it, because around here I don't use water, I use butter, baby. After you bring that water to a rolling boil, you're gonna add your crawfish. I'm gonna flavor it with a little onion, a little lemons, and a little lime. And I'm gonna stop right there. You can throw some peppers, jalapenos, whatever you want to throw in there if you want to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drain these too. Because like I said, I don't use water, I use butter, baby. I removed the onion. Now what we want to do is dump it in the bag. We're not trying to take trash out. We're going to eat this. So we're not going to dump it. We're going to chomp it. We're not going to dump it. We're going to chomp it. All right, so you got your corn and everything together. All right. Get rid of that onion like I said. I'm going to leave the lemon and lime in there. You can get rid of that too. Mix my butter mixture up here. And we're gonna pour that on there like so. Now, you don't have to use all butter. You can add some broth to this. Or you can just use broth. Sometimes I use one or the other or both. Now I'm gonna toss everything around in the bag, like I said. Get it saturated with that flavor. All right, once again, there it is, that Chef Albritton's. If you want this taste, you gotta get it from the man himself. Now, let's dump it out. Look at that, look at that. Look at how that's looking. Look at that. Ooh, wait. Now, can y'all smell that? If you use your imagination hard enough, you probably could. So just imagine how that right there smells. Don't feel bad if you didn't get none, because I barely got any myself. All right, now it's time to eat. Yo, this is all I got for myself after everybody finished attacking this stuff. All right. That's the heads camera, man. So I just let y'all see me eat something. Eat love. Can't really trust no video where you don't see the person eat the food after they cook it. There's sometime when they eat it after they cook it, they be lying about it's good when you know that it ain't. But that's neither here or there, because that's not my business. I'm just here to worry about what I'm trying to do. But you get that little tail meat there? It's like a little salad shrimp. Now you see why people eat pounds of this stuff. It's like a little hors d'oeuvre. Then the head, right? Just grab that head, suck everything out of it. Put that tail at. It's right there.
What?
Right there. You gonna put it in some sauce?
No.
Wait,
this is dead, right?
Yeah, it's not alive. You think you would be eating it if it was alive?
This thing still got the eyes intact.
It's gross. Yeah, that ain't for everybody. Now, you wait till everybody got some, say you didn't want none, now you like them and all gone.
What's this?
You know what? I like your heart, though. I like your heart because you're not scared to try new foods. There's only one place in the world you're going to get this taste. And only two things you can do. Get it or wish you had it. Exclusive to the highest of exclusivity.
Like it,
shareth thou the love, and subscribeth unto my channel.